Sending money internationally can sometimes feel complicated, but, RIA money transfer makes it easy and reliable. With RIA, you can send money to Singapore directly from your app or website, ensuring fast delivery to your recipient's bank account or cash pickup location. The platform supports multiple payment methods including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers, offering flexibility depending on your convenience. One of the most convenient features of RIA is its real-time tracking. You can monitor your transfer from start to finish, which honestly provides peace of mind knowing exactly when your funds will arrive. Compared to traditional wire transfers, RIA offers lower fees and competitive exchange rates, making your money go further. Now, let's explore some lesser-known tricks to make your RIA money transfer experience even better. First, always check for cashback promotions directly on the app. Occasionally, RIA runs special offers that automatically credit a percentage of your transfer back into your account. Second, signing up for the RIA loyalty program can unlock better rates for frequent transfers, which many users overlook. Third, if you schedule transfers during local Singapore holidays, some banks process faster than others, effectively shortening delivery time. Fourth, combining multiple small transfers into one larger transfer can sometimes reduce overall fees due to RIA's tiered fee system. Finally, using RIA's in-app currency alerts allows you to send money when the exchange rate hits a favorable level, maximizing value for your recipients. Another advantage of RIA is instant transfer options when sending from certain countries. This is perfect for emergency transfers, ensuring the recipient can access funds in minutes. Security is also a top priority. RIA employs advanced encryption and regulatory compliance, making every transaction safe and secure. Whether it's for family support, paying bills, or business purposes, RIA money transfer makes sending money to Singapore seamless, fast, and cost-effective.